Now I found a spot here where I can really test this Weather Shield multi-surface fungal wash down in here. See this? I'm not going to be painting that. I've sanded this area here. I've squirted it down. I've squirted it down with the in a sprayer, not in Resolve. Just used a sprayer. Sprayed it on there, and then I can watch it over the next couple of days and see. Now, if there's a little bit, there's a little tiny bit over here in this corner. I'll spray both corners because that's where the rot occurs on these houses over in England, in the corners. For some reason, I don't know why. But I'll just give this another spray. This is going to get painted, so you won't be able to see how good it is. I'd like to get some underneath that door. And I'm making sure the outside is going to be sprayed too. In that corner down here. You got a good. And then obviously the door, the window itself has got a lot of mold there. It always collects on there. So I'm not going to spare the fungal wash, because otherwise you got to take all the. I don't know how you kill it. You know, what else are you going to do? I've been trying different things for a while, and I'm quite happy to see this Dulux one. I didn't know it existed. So that's where we are. Fungal wash test number 10 or whatever.